Listening to all, whose part of you is Ndwandwe, and I'll be presenting under the Code of Conduct, Ethics, and Compliances. We are building integrity, trust, and accountability. So as Kulisa, we have Code of Conduct purpose. Our Code of Conduct emphasizes adherence to sound corporate governance principles, placing stakeholders and beneficiaries first, and maintaining integrity and accountability among our employees. While a specific document is not available, our commitments include being key ID compliant or governance matters, fostering ethical practices, and having a zero-tolerance policy for crime in the workplace to build a responsible citizenship. We also have key aspects. Firstly, we have 6 key aspects. The first one is ethical governance. We use sound corporate governance and accountability. The second one is stakeholder focus. We are prioritizing the needs of those that need support. The third one is integrity and responsibility. Promoting integrity, responsibility, and good citizenship. We have zero tolerance for crime. Fostering a safe work environment. We have the fifth one, which is King ID compliance. Adhering to South African corporate governance. We also have the last key aspect, which is empowerment. We are restoring empathy, self-belief, and self-worth to empower individuals. Ethics of social solutions. Ethics center on building community cohesion, promoting empathy, and ensuring accountability through initiatives like narrative therapy and dialogue cycles. The organization prioritizes community-led grassroots solutions by valuing indigenous knowledge and local capacity. Kulisa operates with a zero-tolerance approach to crime and upholds ethical corporate governance, which involves building integrity and responsibility among our employees. Our work is guided by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals to create a more equitable and sustainable future. We have 5 core ethical principles. First one is integrity and respect. The second one is community empowerment. Third one is ethical governance. Fourth one is building resistance. And the last one is accountability and impact. Kulisa compliances. Kulisa Social Solutions is committed to internal compliance through adherence to King ID Code of Governance for all governance matters, and externally, it supports other NGOs in their own compliance by offering training, mentorship, and resource sharing to help them meet their regular regulatory and donor requirements. Kulisa compliance efforts also extend to ensuring that our community initiatives and internal operations comply with the relevant legislation, such as the Child Justice Act in their joint rehabilitation programs. We have internal and external compliances. Internal, we have King ID Adhere, which is aligning governance with King ID Code. The second compliance is financial compliance, Kulisa ensuring a donor and regulatory compliance. The third compliance is legislative compliance. We are adhering to relevant laws and regulations. Internal compliance that supports for NGOs. With mentorship and training, we provide guidance and resources, capacity building, enhancing NGOs' partners' capacity, and the last is advisory services. We are offering compliance expertise. Professional and integrity and anti-corruption. Kulisa Social Solutions is committed to professionalism, integrity, and anti-corruption by training professional mediators, embedding with restorative justice in communities, and collaboration with diverse stakeholders to build just society. The organization long-standing focus on social cohesion, evidenced by its various programs and national networks, with fostering ethical values like honesty and fair as core elements of its work and address the root causes of conflicts and social issues. By prioritizing professionalism, integrity, and social cohesion, Kulisa aims to create a positive change. We also have professionalism and integrity in practice. Kulisa justice, we have expertise, which is leading in restorative justice practices. The second one is dialogue and healing. We are transforming conflict through relationships. We also have ethical practices under the professionalism and integrity practice. Skilled personnel, we are emphasizing capable and honest professionals. The second is ethical values. We are promoting social cohesion and civic education. We also have anti-corruption measures. Police anti-corruption measures include the key initiatives. The first is grassroots mediator. We are empowering community members as mediators. The second is stakeholder collaboration. We are building capacity through partnerships. We are addressing the root causes. We are using initiative approach like SIT, dialogue centers, and the fourth was promoting transparency. We are aligning with South African national anti-corruption strategy. We have goals under anti-corruption measures. First goal is strengthening community resilience. We are reducing the reliance on external intervention. The second is fostering ethical values. We are promoting honesty and fairness. Police approach emphasizes on community empowerment, collaboration, addressing underlying issues, transparency, and accountability. We also have embedding ethical knowledge. Police social solutions embed ethical knowledge into their daily practices through programs like their Voice of Change initiative, which uses AI-supported participatory method to empower children to address community issues such as violence and substance abuse. Our approach involves restorative justice, trauma-informed practices, and capacity building to foster community dialogue, accountability, and self-governance, embedding ethical principles and practical skills at the grassroots level to create lasting social change. Strategies for embedding ethical knowledge. Police social solutions embed ethical knowledge through key strategies. First strategy is child-led initiative. We are empowering children to address social challenges. The second is restorative justice. We are fostering dialogue and accountability. The third one is trauma-informed practices. We are equipping practitioners to build trauma-sensitive environment. The fourth one is community capacity building. We are supporting community-driven arguments and structures. The last strategy is dialogue and civic participation. We are encouraging reflection and community engagement. We have program examples: Voice of Change and Silence the Violence. On the goals, embedding ethical practices principles. We are fostering ethical decision-making and community voice. The second goal is creating lasting social change that building cohesive and just societies. Police approach emphasizes on community empowerment, restorative justice, trauma-informed practices,